What are the different ways through which we can get that this is a noun, this is a noun, this is a noun? What are the different ways? Yes, one by one. Some noise. There is some
Before
noise.
article,
And come after
before article, that is
Before articles, okay, before articles. The what is the second criteria?
the
Ma'am,
word end with NESS, ma'am.
Okay, one by one. Yes, Seema.
Suffix.
The word end with NESS becomes noun.
Only any and SS?
ITY. Childhood.
SOOD would.
There are, देखो, guys,
IST,
Sangeeta, please
MNT.
mute. There is some noise from your end, Sangeeta. देखो, there are the major criteria through which we get to know ki whether this is a noun or not. The first criteria is name, place, animal, thing, or any idea. If it is any name, place, animal, thing, or any idea, then it is a noun. The second criteria is that, एक मिनट, just a minute.
Who, whom, what.
Yes, the second criteria is who, what, whom. Who, what, whom. Who, what, whom. That is, if you will get the answer, that is also the noun. The third criteria is that I have shared the list of the suffix like NESS, HOOD, EN. So if these suffix are coming, so then it becomes the
noun.
And the fourth thing is that if the noun is followed by any preposition, it is followed by any article, and it is followed by any adjective. Adjective के बाद अगर कुछ आएगा, any possessive adjective के बाद noun will come. After any article, the noun will come. After any preposition, the noun will come. Okay, so these are the criteria on the basis of which we can identify whether it is a noun or not. So we already discussed all these things. Okay, in the last class, we already discussed. I think adjectives we already discussed. Just recapitulate in the faster way. Adjectives, what are the adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words. What they describe? They describe either the nouns or the pronouns. Adjectives are the words which describes either the nouns or the pronouns. Like for example, the clever fox defeated the brave lion. So what is an adjective in this sentence?
Clever and brave.
Clever and brave. Clever and brave. क्योंकि fox क्या है? What is a fox? Fox is a name of animal. What type of fox? What type of fox? Clever fox. Clever is an adjective. What type of lion? What type of lion?
Brave.
Lion. Brave is an adjective. Okay. The doctor says that it is a hopeless case. What is an adjective in this sentence?
Hopeless.
Hopeless. Because here we are talking about the case. What type of case? Hopeless case.
Hopeless case.
She is smart enough to deal with the situation. She is smart enough to deal with the situation. What is an adjective in this case?
Smart.
Smart. Because in this case, smart is describing the she. She is the pronoun because describing words which describes either the noun or the pronoun. अब यहाँ पर जो smart है वो किसको describe कर रहा है? वो she को describe कर रहा है. She is a pronoun. She is a pronoun. So in that case, she is an adjective. Some students helped her to do the work. What is an adjective? Some is an adjective. Some is an adjective because it also tells us about the quantity. Adjectives tells us about the quality or the quantity. So some is also an adjective. And it is coming before the nouns. The first chapter of the book is very interesting. What is an adjective?
First.
First is an adjective. First is an adjective. Interesting is also an adjective that we will discuss later on. Abhi, right now, just keep into your mind that the first is an adjective. Because here we are talking about the chapter. Kaun sa chapter? First chapter. So first is an adjective.
I'm smart enough. Enough
जो है
हाँ, that is an adverb. That is an adverb.
Adverb.
Sangeeta, that is an adverb. Okay, so now this is a list of an adjective which I already discussed with you. So guys, you just keep this list into your mind. It would be very easy to retain into your mind ki what are the adjectives. So if the words end with A, B, L, E, A, L, A, N, T, A, R, Y, these are all the adjectives. These are all the adjectives. Adjectives plus noun. This is a sentence pattern. This is a sentence patterns for the adjectives. How to make the adjectives? Adjectives ke baad you have to put one noun. After adjective, you have to put one noun. I have a red car. I have a red car. So what is a red in this sentence?
Adjective.
Adjective. What is car?
Now.
Noun. Car is a noun. Car is a noun. The second is, guys, see, this is not hard and fast rule ki after adjective, always the noun will come. This is not a hard and fast rule ki after the adjective, the noun will come. This is also the rule ki that the adjectives can be come before any noun, before any noun. Like for example, in that case, the syntax will be be verb plus adjective. Like for example, the student is tired. The student is tired. In this case, we are talking about the student. Student kaisa hai? Which word describes the student? Which word describes the student?
Tired.
Tired. Tired word describes the student. And what is student? Student is a
Noun.
noun. Student is a noun. So tired word describes the student. So tired becomes an adjective. The tired becomes an adjective.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, adjective is something that describes the noun, right?
A noun
But
or
here-
pronoun. Noun or pronoun.
Okay, but here in the first example, again, I have a red car. In that red car, red I understood as an adjective that
Yes,
describes.
red. Red is an adjective because it describes a car. What type of car?
It's a red.
Red.
But it is tired is like it is a verb, right? Tired, tiring. It's a
No. But Kalavati, that is also the verb also, but in this sentence, because it describes the student. It describes the student. What type of student? The student is tired. Thaka hua. Though in
Oh.
that case, the tired become a adjective. Adjective. Because why it is not a verb? Because it is not following any verb partnership rule. According to the B verb partnership rule, kya hona chahiye tha? What should be the verb partnership rule according to the B verb? It should be
ing.
ing. It should be ing. But here it is not ing.
okay, ma'am.
Right? So
Understood.
then you must understand this thing. It is not ing. So it is an adjective.
Sure, ma'am.
Is an adjective. What is adverb? Adverb is a verb that tells us something more about the verb, adverb, or adjectives. What is an adverb? These are the words which tell something more about the verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. I ate my dinner quickly. How I ate my dinner? It describes ate. मैंने खाया, मैंने अपना डिनर खाया. कैसे खाया? It describes quickly. Quickly. L-Y, quickly. So it describes a verb. So it becomes an adverb. So what is an adverb in this sentence?
Quickly.
Quickly is an adverb. Quickly is an adverb.
And
Hmm.
ly.
Because this is also one of the way to retain into your mind the words that ends with ly. The words that ends with ly, that becomes the adverb. But this is not mandatory in each and every case. My father came home early. Munit, can you tell me what is an adverb in this sentence?
Ma'am, early.
Early. Very good. How to identify?
Ma'am, ly. It's
ly ends. Or it tells us about the describe the word came. My father came. Mere father आए. कैसे आए? Early आए. Jaldi आए. So in that case, it is an adverb. Sam sees many puppies outside. Now, if you see this sentence, in this sentence, Ashu, what is an adverb in this sentence?
Outside.
Outside, but this doesn't ends with ly.
No, ma'am.
But still it is
Sam,
an adverb.
where, yes, ma'am, it is this time where Sam see the puppies.
Because here we talk about the action word sees. Sam ने देखे. कहाँ देखे? Outside देखे.
Outside.
Outside. So outside becomes an adverb. Outside becomes an adverb. Sudha, the dress is elegant. The dress is elegant. In this sentence, elegant is an adjective. Why?
Because it looks elegant.
It describes about
About
the
the
dress.
dress.
ma'am.
their
It
dress.
describes a dress.
About
It
the dress.
describes a dress. And what is dress? Dress is which part of speech?
Noun.
Noun. Dress is a noun. Dress is a noun. Name, a name of a dress and a name. Any name. So dress is a noun. But noun को जो describe करता है वो क्या बन जाता है हमारा adjective. That becomes our adjective.
It's also, ma'am, B plus adjective.
B plus adjective. Yes, B plus adjective. She dresses elegantly. She dresses elegantly.
Oh, yeah.
She dresses elegantly. Now, in this
Elegant.
case, dress is a verb. Dress is a verb. But अब आपको verb को describe कर रहे हो. Verb को describe कर रहे हो. उसने dress पहनी. यहाँ पर dresses जो है एक verb है. इसको हम हिंदी में बोलेंगे dress पहनना. She dresses. She dresses का मतलब होता है वह dress पहनती है. She dresses. कैसी dress पहनती है? Elegantly. So elegantly becomes an adverb. Elegantly becomes an adverb. So adverbs are the words that modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs or the complete sentences.
Hi,
Spotting.
ma'am. Hello.
Yes. Yes, Kalavati.
Ma'am, here in the last second slide, you are told like the dress is before this slide, ma'am. Where the dress we have considered as a noun, and in the next slide it is dress we have considered as a verb.
Verb. Why? Dekho, because in this sentence, the dress, the is coming before this word. And I already told you if any article is coming before any word, that becomes
That is called noun.
That
Noun.
becomes a noun. So in this sentence, a dress is a noun. Dress is a noun. Here we are talking about the dress, or you can also understand in this way, we are talking about the dress. We are talking about the subject. So then in that case, it becomes a noun. But if you see this sentence, she dresses elegantly. In this sentence, this word is coming after the subject.
Okay.
If the word is coming after the subject, it becomes a verb. So she dresses, she dresses. Dresses is a verb. Dresses is a verb.
Okay. Ma'am, elegantly can't be a adjective, ma'am.
Dresses.
No.
No, in this case, no, elegant. Elegant is an adjective. But elegantly, ly, that becomes an adverb.
Okay.
That
Okay,
becomes an adverb.
Okay.
So how to make the adverb from adjectives? How to make the adverbs from the adjectives just by putting ly.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again, ma'am?
How to make the adverbs from the adjectives.
Okay. So
Just
from
by putting ly. Ly आप put कर दो.
then it will become an adverb.
Adverb. जैसे elegant. Elegantly.
Okay.
Careful. Careful. Carefully.
Carefully.
Right? So this is a way.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, spotting an adverb is very easy if it ends with ly. The next is how to identify the adverbs. How, when, where, how often. How, when, where, how often. This is another way how to identify the adverbs. The bird was flying swiftly. The bird was flying swiftly. What is an adverb?
Swiftly.
Swiftly. So this is a way ki it ends with ly, so you can easily identify. What is another way? You can just ask the question. How did the bird fly? How? How? You will get the answer.
Yes.
Swiftly. So swiftly becomes the adverb. A deer was strolling nearby. Now in this sentence, there is no ly. There is no ly. Then this rule will work.
Where is the deer?
Where did the deer stroll? Where did
Stroll.
the deer stroll? Then you will get the answer nearby. So nearby is an adverb. The 4 utter pups were sleeping quiet peacefully. In this sentence, sleeping is a verb, quiet is an adverb, और इस adverb को भी जो describe कर रहा है, that is also an adverb. So peacefully is also an adverb. So in a sentence, there can be more than one adverb in a sentence. This is not a hard and fast rule, only one adverb should be there in a sentence. There can be 2 adverbs. Finally, they came to the lion's den. What is an adverb? Reena, what is an adverb?
Finally.
Finally, they came to the lion's den. This is also an adverb. Now, my question is, guys, why we are learning these adverbs?
To make the
Parts
sentence
of speech.
To make the sentence
meaningful.
more meaningful, to make the sentence. Dekho, simple. This sentence is also okay. The bird was flying. This sentence is also okay. But if you want to make more meaning to this sentence, you put one adverb. The bird was flying swiftly. This become more. The deer was strolling. This sentence is also okay. But if you put one adverb, the deer was strolling nearby, so it gives more meaning. So guys, if you want to give them more meaning to the sentences, if you want to make your sentences in a more polished way, so then you have to put these adverbs. Write down one sentence. My father came last night. My father came last night. Write down one more sentence. My father came in the night. My father came in the night. Done? Sangeeta, unmute. Sangeeta, my father came last night. Is there any adverb?
Last night.
Last night is an adverb. Okay. Great.
It describes about came.
Okay. Well tried. Okay. Yes. Sudhakar.
Yes, sir.
My father came in the night. Is there any adverb in this sentence?
Night.
Night. Okay, well tried. Sunil, is there any adverb in the sentence? My father came in the night.
No.
Not. Okay, Pranjali, what you are saying?
Yeah, ma'am. What?
My father came in the night. Is there any adverb in this sentence?
No, ma'am.
Why?
It's saying that it's coming at the
Night,
night.
article coming before night.
Yes, an article is coming before the night. So Sudhakar, if an article is coming before the night, so what it becomes?
Now.
Noun. So there is no adverb in this sentence. अगर suppose करो सुधाकर sentence होता my father came in night. Yeah, at night. Sorry, in night तो होता ही नहीं है. My father came at night. Then
The night.
at night. तो मुनीत क्या होता है? Night क्या होता है यहाँ पर?
At
The
is
noun.
also preposition.
हाँ?
At also.
At is also preposition.
No.
The night is
हाँ, preposition. At is preposition. So then what is night here?
The noun.
Very
Noun.
good. Noun. Then it is a noun. Guys, understand me. My father came in the night in preposition. The article. और उसके बाद जो भी word आएगा वो आपका noun बन गया. My father came at night. An is a preposition. So night is a noun. But sentence hai, my father came last night. So here we are talking about came. Kab aaye mere father? Last night. So last night becomes an adverb.
Adverb.
Adverb. Are you guys getting this concept?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay जी, चलो ये हमने I think करा था. Reena, unmute. He will be leaving tonight. What is an adverb?
Tonight.
Tonight. Okay, Pankaj. Second, jaldi se, be quick, everyone.
He walked carefully. Carefully, ma'am.
Carefully. Very good. Sudha, number C.
Go outside and fetch some water for me. Go outside and fetch water.
हाँ,
Outside.
Outside.
water कैसे हो गया सुधा?
Outside.
Outside. Go, जाओ. कहाँ जाओ? Outside.
Outside.
Outside. So outside is an adverb. Outside is an adverb. Sunil. Sunil, number D.
Hot.
Fought नहीं, कैसे fought कैसे हो गया सुनील? Fought तो verb हुआ ना? Bravely. L-Y. Ashu, I met him yesterday.
Ma'am, yesterday.
Yesterday is an adverb. Yesterday is an adverb. Guys, I have written some words. L-Y, W-A-R-D, W-I-S. ये याद कर लो. अगर कोई भी वर्ड इनसे एंड होता है वो सारे हमारे एडवर्ब हैं. बैकवर्ड, आफ्टरवर्ड, लेंथवाइज, क्लॉकवाइज, सिंपली, ब्रेवली. These are all the adverbs. Verbs कौन कौन से होते हैं? Ends with ed, ends with ing, ends with en, ends with isc, isc. ठीक है? Words, en. Write down one word. LOSC. Seema, what is the pronunciation of this word? LOSC.
Lose, ma'am. Loss.
Loss. What is the second form and third form?
Lost.
Lost. Write down one word. Write down one more word. LOOSC. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? LOO. इसको प्रोनाउंस कैसे करेंगे इस वर्ड को? लूज. इसका हिंदी में मतलब क्या होता है?
खो देना.
ढीला. वो खो देना तो होता है LOSC.
Okay.
लॉस. LOSC का मतलब होता है खो देना. LOOSC होता है लूज. I wear a loose pajama. I wear a loose lower. So लूज मतलब है ढीला. अब यहाँ पर ये लूज क्या है? LOOSC क्या है? What is loose?
Okay.
What is
ढीला.
loose?
Ma'am, mother verb.
I wear a loose lower. What is loose here?
Adjective, ma'am.
Adjective. पिजामे की क्वालिटी बता रहे हैं ना, कैसा पिजामा? लूज पिजामा, लूज लोअर्स. अब इसी एडजेक्टिव को मैंने एज अ वर्ब की तरह अगर मैंने बनाना है तो मैं क्या इसके अंदर ऐड कर दूंगी? en ऐड कर दूंगी. आई जस्ट मेक ऐड en. तो लूज का क्या बन जाएगा? लूजन. en लूजन. Soft is again an adjective. What is the verb of soft?
Soften.
Soften. T silent होता है सुधा, इसमें T silent होता है. तो soft.
Okay. Soften.
अब आपको इसके अंदर क्या करना है guys? I have just make a list, so you just Google it और उसके अंदर लिखो the verbs that ends with en. You will get a list and just try to make the sentences. The verbs that ends with IZE. You will get a list. Just make some sentences. Okay, I will share all these things. Okay. The next concept is preposition. What is preposition? Prepositions are the relating words which tells you the relation between the noun and pronoun, which tells the relation between the nouns or pronouns or the nouns and nouns. It is used before the noun or the pronoun. It is used before the noun or the pronoun. Like for example, the book is on the table. Which word tells us the relation between the book and the table?
On.
On.
the table.
On. Book is also a noun, table is also the noun. लेकिन book और table के बीच में जो relation बता रहा है वो क्या है हमारा on.
On.
So on is a preposition. Reena, the students are sitting in the room.
In
In, very good, in. Pankaj, he ran across the field.
He ran across the field. Across.
The
Da नहीं मैम, across है.
across is a preposition. Across is a preposition.
Da तो article है ना.
Article है. Munit, he arrived in the morning.
In, ma'am.
In is a preposition. In is a preposition. Very good. Sunil, he was walking along the road.
along.
Along is a preposition. Along is a preposition.
मैम
Next,
हम पढ़े नहीं थे या ध्यान नहीं दिया, समझ नहीं आ रही कि ये सब था पर हम कहाँ थे, ये नहीं याद आ
IDQ की वेट कर रहे थे ना कि IDQ you will get the platform of IDQ and then you will learn all these things ना.
रहा।
Okay. Now next is conjunctions. What is
Ma'am,
conjunctions?
एक बार
Conjunction.
explain करेंगे?
Words.
Two sentences.
So please don't.
To join the words, to join any sentence.
देखो.
I have a question from the previous
Yes,
topic.
yes.
Please define across and through.
Sangeeta, that we will discuss later on, dear, because that is a preposition topic, because this is again a very wide topic. Okay, abhi to right now we have to complete this parts of speech. Definitely I will join, or either you can WhatsApp me, Sangeeta. You can WhatsApp me, dear. Okay. Now the first is conjunction. Conjunctions क्या होते हैं? Conjunctions are the joining words. अब ये join किसको करते हैं? They join either the words, phrases, clauses, or the sentence. Like for example, Ram and Mohan will complete the work. Ram and Mohan will complete the work. Now Ram is a word, Mohan is a word. But what is the conjunction? And. And is a conjunction. And is a conjunction. I met you at the office or at home.
Or.
Very good, Pankaj. Or is a conjunction. He said that he was busy. That is a conjunction. So conjunctions are basically used when you want to combine two sentences, compound sentences, two compound sentences ko, two clauses ko, phrases ko, words ko, if you want to join. So then you have to use the conjunctions. Now the last is interjunctions. Interjunctions hote hain, these are the words which are used to express the sudden feelings of the sorrow or the
sudden feeling.
For the sorrow or the surprise. Hooray!
Surprise.
We have won the match.
Bravo.
Bravo.
Hooray.
हाँ, bravo. Oops.
Wow.
आजकल oops भी आ गया है. Wow. Yeah. तो ये सारे हमारे क्या है? Interjunctions हैं. If you want to show, if you want to express your feelings.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorrow ho, surprise ho, happy mood ho, so then you have to use this interjunctions. Okay. So these are the parts of speech. Okay, now let's discuss one by one. Sudha,
Madam.
my brother came home. The letters which are written in the bold. Just let me know what is the parts of speech.
My.
What is my?
Noun.
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
No, that is not the pronoun.
Subjective noun. Sorry.
These are, ma'am, determinative.
Possessive adjective. Possessive.
Possessive active.
Possessive adjective. Here we are talking about the brother. Kiska brother? My brother. So
My brother.
here it is talking about the possession. Possession. So we can say it is a adjective. Adjective. What is home?
Noun.
Noun. What is
Noun.
late? What is late?
Adjective.
Adverb.
Adverb. Adverb. Adverb. Adverb. Okay. Right. Pankaj, I am a good girl.
Good adjective and am is helping verb.
Am is a verb. Very good. Ashu, this is a book I was looking for.
I, ma'am, noun, was, verb, looking. Looking is also verb.
Was and looking are the verbs. Was and looking are the verbs. Pranjali,
Verb.
number 4th.
Interjection. This is amazing. Adjective.
This is amazing. It's an adjective. It's an adjective. Sudhakar, number 5th. The climate in the
climate
Kodia Canal.
is very pleasant.
What is climate?
Noun.
Climate is noun, yes. Climate
Why?
is noun
Why?
because the
Article is
the
here.
before
Article
the
is here.
article.
Yes. Then in
is now just
preposition. Preposition. What is
Preposition.
Kodia Canal?
Noun.
Now.
noun.
Now,
Place.
because it is coming, it is a place, or we can say after the preposition. What is very?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Adverb. Adverb.
So, Dhakar, females are not always every time. Okay. So, please use your brain. Please use your brain. So, Dhakar, what is very?
Very is describing present.
Very किसको describe कर रहा है? Pleasant, pleasant, pleasant. Pleasant is an adjective. So adjective को describe कर रहा है. कितना pleasant? Very pleasant. So very is an adverb. Very is an adverb. Can you, Muneet, number last.
Ma'am, and conjunction
Hmm.
and on is a ma'am preposition.
Preposition. Your is
And your is also ma'am
pronoun.
Yes, and it's an adjective. Okay. Now, this is very important, guys. I have written some sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just giving you 10 seconds time. एक बार जरा सा go through करो इन sentences को.
he works
Abhi, number 1, 2, 3. Only just focus on 3 sentences. 1, 2, 3. He works hard. The surface is hard. He is a hard worker. Done?
Done.
Reena, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Seema, let's start with Seema. Seema, he works hard. What is hard?
Yes, ma'am.
What is hard?
Adjective, ma'am.
Adjective.
Okay. Very good. Very good. The surface is hard. Sangeeta.
The surface is hard, ma'am. Is यहाँ hard जो है adjective है, first वाले में adverb था.
Pankaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Is Sangeeta right?
No, ma'am.
Then?
Both sentences are same in my point of view.
So in both the sentences, hard is an adjective or an adverb?
Adjective.
first one is adverb, second one is adjective.
Okay, okay, well tried, Muneet. Okay, someone has written on the chat box. Okay.
Yeah, first one
Ma'am,
had
the one is also adjective, ma'am.
देखो, listen. In the first sentence, here is talking about the work. Work के ऊपर हम describe कर रहे हैं. We are talking, describing the work. कैसा work?
hard.
ठीक है ना, hard. तो we are describing the work. We are describing the work. और work क्या है? Work is a verb. Work is a verb. So if we describing the work, that becomes an adverb.
Adverb.
So in the first sentence, he works hard में hard is an adverb. In the second sentence, the surface is hard. अब यहाँ पर ये hard किसके लिए आया है? Surface के लिए आया है.
Yes.
और surface क्या है? Surface is a
Noun.
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 Noun को जो describe करता है वो क्या बन जाता है?
Adjective.
Adjective बन जाता है.
Yes.
In the third sentence, he is a hard worker. Pranjali, hard क्या है यहाँ पर?
Adjective, ma'am.
Adjective.
Adjective. क्योंकि अब हम यहाँ पर quality बता रहे हैं. What is noun? What is noun in this sentence?
He.
Worker.
Noun worker, ma'am.
Worker. As I told you in the previous class also, the words that ends with er, worker, teacher, ये सब noun होते हैं. और
Quality भी बता रहे हैं.
हाँ, noun से पहले जो लग गया वो क्या बन गया हमारा? Adjective बन गया.
Adjective.
So he is a hard worker में hard is an adjective. और ये जो आर्टिकल आया है, ये जो आर्टिकल, गाइस वी गेट कंफ्यूज सो मेनी टाइम्स कि आर्टिकल्स कम्स बिफोर द एडजेक्टिव्स. Yes, articles can come before the adjectives, but articles are not meant for the adjectives. मैम इसी लाइन को थोड़ा सा सिंपल भाषा में समझाओ. लिखो थोड़े से sentences. लिखो, आई एम गिविंग यू सम sentences. लिखो. He is good. Write down fast. He is good. He is good. Second sentence लिखो. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Okay. 2 sentences हमने लिखे. एक और लिख लो चलो. He is a very good boy. He is a very good boy. He is good. He is good. What is good?
Adverb.
Adverb.
Adverb, ma'am.
Why adverb? ये कौन से वर्ब की या कौन से एडजेक्टिव की को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? ये तो ही को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है.
Noun, ma'am.
Adjective है मैम.
Adjective.
Plus adjective.
Adjective.
Quality. Okay,
He
ma'am.
is good. He is good. यहाँ पर ये जो good है, that describes a he. He क्या है? Pronoun है. So the words which describes a noun or the pronoun, that becomes the
Adjective.
adjectives. Adjectives. Second sentence. Sudha, read the second sentence. He is.
He is a good boy. Good
अब
is
यहाँ
an
हाँ, अब यहाँ पर good क्या है? What is good?
adjective.
Adjective. लेकिन अब ये जो आर्टिकल आया है ना, देखो ध्यान से सुनो. ये जो आर्टिकल ए आया है, ये गुड के साथ नहीं लगा. ये किसके साथ लगा हुआ है? ये बॉय के साथ लगा हुआ है.
Boy.
अगर ये आर्टिकल एडजेक्टिव के साथ लगता तो हम ये बोलते ना, ही इज अ गुड. ही इज अ गुड. कभी सुना है? कभी सुना है ऐसे हम बोलते हैं? ही इज अ गुड.
He is a good.
Have you ever listened this thing? He is a good. ऐसे बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, describe the quality a good boy. That's why.
नहीं
He's
Munit,
the
just
good
try to understand what I'm trying to make you understand, guys.
It
Adjective.
doesn't make any sense, ma'am. With
हाँ, so that's why ना we never ever use that. देखो adjectives हम sorry articles हम adjectives से पहले लगा देते हैं, लेकिन वो adjectives के लिए articles नहीं है. वो articles किसके लिए लगता है? Noun के लिए लगता है.
के लिए.
तभी जब भी
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
देखो, या तो आप ऐसे बोलो he is good, full stop. या अगर आपको आर्टिकल लगाना है तो आपको एक उसके साथ नाउन जरूरी है लगाना. तब आप बोलेंगे he is a good boy.
Good boy.
He is a good boy.
Good boy.
Last sentence था he is a very good boy.
Very is adjective and
No,
good is
no,
adverb.
no.
Very is
Not an
adverb.
adjective. Very is an
Very
adverb.
It's a adverb. Adverb.
Ah, very is an adverb.
Boy now.
Good is an
Good is an
adjective.
adjective.
Boy is an
And
adverb.
boy
Right,
is noun.
noun.
Write down,
Ma'am.
write down, write down.
Ma'am, you
Yes, Reena?
discussed last class. You discussed last class when word coming after articles only one.
If the three
then
words,
it is-
लिखो, if the three words are coming
words.
after the articles, if the three words are coming after the articles, first word would be the adverb,
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 second is the
second is
adjective,
Adjective.
third word would be
Third
the,
one is noun.
Noun.
if the two words are coming, first word would
First
be
word
the
adjective.
Adjective.
second word
noun.
would be the noun.
Noun. Noun.
If the one word is coming, then
It is
Noun.
it is a
noun.
noun. It is a noun. It is a noun. ठीक है? Clear? Now, the next sentence. He is fast. He is fast. What is fast? Ashu, what is fast here?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Adjective. Adjective. Seema, he ran fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Adjective and noun.
Let her speak. Let her speak. Yes.
Ma'am, ran is adjective and fast is?
Ran is an adjective.
No, sorry, ma'am. It's a verb.
What is fast? What is fast? I'm just focusing on the fast.
Adverb, ma'am, because it's
Adverb. Adverb.
Because it
Yes, verb.
talks about
Verb.
the ran.
It is
It
a
talks
verb.
about the verb.
Word.
Verb.
ठीक है? He ran. He ran. वह भागा. कैसे भागा? Fast भागा. So in this sentence, he ran fast में fast is an adverb.
Adverb.
Add बोल देते हो, बाकी मैडम अपने आप ही कंप्लीट कर लेंगी. बस add बोल दिया. बाकी देखो adjective लगाना है या verb लगाना है, अपने आप ही देख लो. Simple. देखो guys, he is fast में here fast. Fast किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है? He के बारे में. कौन fast है? He. तो he it is become an adjective. He ran fast. अब ran के बारे में बता रहा है. Ran is a verb. It becomes an adverb.
adverb.
Sudhakar,
Adverb.
he is a fast runner. Sudhakar, he is a fast runner. Let him speak.
Fast is adjective and runner is adverb.
Nee, runner is a noun.
Runner is a
Noun,
noun,
noun.
Sudhakar. Runner, ER से end हो रहा है ना? और adverb कैसे? और एक बार बताओ सुधाकर, एक और ट्रिक है ना, आर्टिकल लगा हुआ है. आर्टिकल अगर लगा हुआ है तो नाउन तो होगा ही होगा. एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब कैसे हो सकते हैं? एक नाउन तो होना ही चाहिए ना. हाँ, एडजेक्टिव हो गया फास्ट, रनर हो गया
Noun.
नाउन. क्लियर? Pranjali, they fast on Monday.
Fast adjective.
They fast on Monday.
Fast.
Puneet, they fast on Monday.
Fast is a noun, Monday on adjective.
On Monday
Fast
is adjective.
Fast is
Monday is special
Fast
day,
is
ma'am.
verb and Monday is
adjective.
adverb, madam. Madam, fast is verb and
Fast is a
Monday is
verb. देखो, first three sentences में fast, he is fast, he ran fast, he is a fast runner. यहाँ पर fast का मतलब है तेज. But अगर यहाँ पर है they fast on Monday, यहाँ पर fast का मतलब होता है व्रत रखना.
Yes, ma'am.
They fast on Monday. तो यहाँ पर fast क्या हो गया? That becomes an verb.
Ma'am, it's also described on Monday. This is special adjective.
What is an adjective in this sentence, Pankaj? There is no adjective in this sentence. They is a subject.
Ma'am, we can say special day on Monday.
So Monday is a name of the day, na? Monday is a name of the day. It is a noun.
Yes, yes.
It is not an adjective. There is no adjective in this sentence. They keep a fast on Monday.
fast is adverb, on is adjective, and Monday is noun.
What is fast?
नाउन है यहाँ पे.
Fast is a
Adverb.
noun. Adverb कैसे हो गया, guys? I'm just connecting my charger. You just know. Listen and just think and let me. Just coming in 20 seconds.
आर्टिकल की बात तो
पंकज सर, जी सर नहीं आ रहे, उनकी क्लासेस ओवर होगी क्या?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैम इशू सम चार्जर प्रॉब्लम.
नो, अजीज सर
Ajiz sir absent.
last class was not attended.
Yes,
That's why.
he was absent.
2 days also.
Munit, you just do one thing now, just make a call. It's around 10. But even I was thinking, Ajiz is not coming. Thanks for reminding me. I will message him. So, okay. So now they keep a fast on Monday. They keep a fast on Monday. So what is fast here? Pranjali, what
Noun.
is fast?
Fast on Monday.
अरे
Noun.
फास्ट से पहले क्या लगा हुआ है?
Article.
आर्टिकल लगा हुआ है, तो क्या बन जाएगा ये?
Noun.
नाउन बन गया।
Noun.
समझ रहे हो? देखो इसी फास्ट को कैसे अलग अलग तरीके से यूज कराया है। दे फास्ट यहाँ पर फास्ट एज अ वर्ब की तरह यूज हुआ है, लेकिन इसी को एज अ नाउन की तरह यूज करना है तो आप एक वर्ब लगा दो और इसको नाउन बना दो। नाउन कैसे बनाएंगे? इससे पहले एक आर्टिकल पुट कर। दे कीप अ फास्ट ऑन मंडे। क्लियर दिस थिंग?
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
चलो, okay, Ashu, you just have to identify the parts of speech of the underlined words.
Namita is ma'am noun.
Namita is a noun. Sudhakar,
My mom will be leaving to Bangalore tomorrow. Will be leaving.
क्या है will be leaving?
Verb.
Verbs.
Verb.
Verbs. And tomorrow?
Tomorrow is
Adverb.
tomorrow is yes, adverb.
Had
Leaving.
doing
सुधाकर,
that
देखो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझो। सुधाकर, रटना नहीं है। देखो यहाँ पर कुछ भी समझो इसको, कॉन्सेप्ट को। Will be leaving. लीव कर रहे हैं। कब? कब? When? You will get the
Tomorrow.
answer tomorrow. Pankaj, the teacher asked the students to stand.
The students तो noun हो गया.
Noun हो गया। संगीता, he is my brother.
Possessive noun. Possessive, my brother.
What is possessive? Possessive?
Hmm.
Adjective.
Pronoun. Adjective.
No,
Yeah.
pronoun nahi. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Sudha, there is a cat
Ma'am.
under the table.
Preposition.
Very good. Very good. Reena, number 6.
as conjunction.
Very good. Seema,
And conjunction, ma'am.
conjunction. Muneet, number
Green.
8.
Adjective.
Okay, let him speak. Muneet, number 8.
मैम एडजेक्टिव बिकॉज ड्रेस की बता रहा है ग्रीन कलर
Yes. Ashu,
Interjection.
interjection. She is coming with me. Seema, Sangeeta,
Preposition.
preposition. Okay, so that you should know. Concept